Alright, here's a big secret. I never actually learned my times tables until after I became a teacher. I'm serious. All through primary school and all through secondary school, I was just faking it. Now, you might be thinking, how on earth can you get through school without knowing your times tables? Well, here's how. I discovered a secret trick that allows you to answer any multiplication question, even if you don't know your times tables. And in this lesson, I'm going to show it to you. But first, just let me be very clear. This doesn't mean I'm not encouraging you to actually learn your times tables, because if you do learn them, it makes your life a whole lot easier. I wish I had done that. But with this trick right now, you can at least still answer the questions before you've fully learned all of your times tables. So grab something to write with and something to write on, and let's see the magic skill of repeated addition.
Okay, so let's actually see how repeated addition works. I'm going to show you a couple of examples, and then I'm going to let you work some of them out for yourself. Now, some people watching this video will probably already be quite good at their times tables, so you might not need to use this strategy as much, but it's good to know just in case you're ever feeling a bit stuck. Let's say, for example, I have 2 multiplied by 4. Now, this is a really straightforward times table. It just means that I have 2 groups of 4. So I have one group of 4 and another group of 4. 4 add 4 equals 8. Now, let's see what would happen if instead of 2 groups of 4, I have 3 groups of 4. Well, I need to draw another group like that, which is 4, and then I would add them together. So as you can see, all I've done is add another group of 4. 4 add 4 is 8, add another 4 is 12. So this is if I'm dealing with the 4 times table. We can keep going and work out what the rest of the times table is. We know that it goes 4, 8, 12. Then what I would do is add another 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I would add another 4. 17, 18, 19, 20. And you would just keep going. That then allows you to work out any times table. Let me show you another example. Say you see a times table and you think, I don't know what the answer to that is, because maybe you don't know that times table. A good example of this might be something like 7 multiplied by 8. And you might think, well, I don't know my 7 times table and I don't know my 8 times table. But here's what you would do if you're in that situation. You know that this means 7 groups of 8. So you can simply get 7 groups of 8 by doing 8, add 8, add 8, add 8, add 8. I'm sure you're kind of getting the idea here. Add 8, add 8. Oh, that's times by 8. Add 8. And you can see this would be 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. So 8 add 8 would be 16. Add another 8, 24. Add another 8, 32. Add another 8, 40. Add another 8, 48. And add another 8, 56. There you have it. You've got your answer. So this is called repeated addition, because you are adding repeatedly. Now, chances are you know how to add these numbers. You can even count on with your fingers if you need to. But by using this method, you can work out any times table question. Try this one with me. Let's say you've been given the question 5 multiplied by 3, and you think, I don't know my 5 times table and I don't know my 3 times table. So here's how you would work it out. You need to get 5 groups of 3. So you would start with 3. That's one group. You would get another group by adding 3. 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. Okay, copy this one down just like I have. Make sure to leave a gap here because we're going to write those numbers in just a moment. So 3 add 3 is 6. 6 add 3 is 9. 9 add 3 is 12. 12 add 3 is 15. There we have the answer. I want you to try this one by yourself now, and I'm going to try and pick a times table that you probably don't know. Let's do 6 times 9. Have a go at that one yourself. Now, in case you weren't able just to answer this one straight away, hopefully you used the addition method, the repeated addition method, I should say. To do this, you would have 6 groups of 9. There's one group. There's 2 groups. 3 groups. 4 groups. 5 groups. 6 groups. So, 9 add 9 is 18. 18 add 9 is 27. 27 add 9 is 36. 36 add 9 is 45. 45 add 9 is 54. And there is your answer.
It's pretty cool, right? In the upcoming lessons, we'll be doing some mini challenges based on times tables. And you can use repeated addition to help you along the way. But for some real talk, you should go and try to learn them. It'll make everything easier in maths and in other areas of life as well. And the truth is, of all the children I've ever taught, the ones that do best in maths do actually learn their times tables. So make sure you are one of them. You've got this. It's easy. When you're ready to move on, hit the Mark Complete button and I'll see you in the next video.